Tell me how you want it, yeah. Tell me that you need me, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with an eyelash review. I'm doing a lot of thinking, and you know what? I was like, you know what? I'm trying to be a baddie this summer. I need to be wearing eyelashes because I mean, what's more bad than wearing eyelashes like every day and just looking like fine as hell? So I've been looking around at eyelash companies and I came across this YouTuber named Desp who sells eyelashes online, and her eyelashes are so beautiful. Like her just wearing it in her videos, I was like, where, how can I get some? I want to wear eyelashes. I want to be bad this summer. So I went onto her site and I ordered 2 pairs of lashes, and I just received my package a couple of days ago, so I'm just gonna do a quick little review for you guys and actually put on the lashes. I've tried eyelash extensions before and that did not work out at all. When I did, my eyes got super irritated for like a week, red, painful, so I had to put eye drops in. So I can do eyelash extensions, so I definitely have to go for the eyelash strips. This is a package it came in. It has my address and all of that on the front. It's really nice. What is that called now? When you pop it, it makes the noise. What's that called? I forget what it's called, but I'm just gonna open it up. I have a pair of scissors with me. Okay, it's either I'm a weakling or something's wrong. Something's always wrong when I can't do something. I'll also leave a link to her website and a link to her YouTube channel below if you guys are interested in ordering some of your own. Right now, I'm just trying to open this package, which is not really working. Okay, ooh. See how hard my hands are working this? That was hard. Thank God I got through. That's what it looks like on the inside. So it comes with this. This is basically what I got. Oh, by the way, if you like this makeup look, definitely check out my previous video. I did this whole look. This is just my daily makeup routine minus the lip because I usually just wear like a clear lip gloss. So if you want to see that, definitely check it out. But yeah, let's continue with this. So if you look more on the inside, there's this in there. Aw, this is so nice. Oh wow, she's a real boss, eh? This is so nice. So basically she gives you some business cards. I think 2 of them. That's smart. Oh wow, I'm proud. I don't even know her, I'm proud. She gives you 2 eyelash spoolies, 1 in white and 1 in black, so you can match to whatever you want, I guess. And then there's just a card and it says, hey, thanks for your order. That is so sweet, and that picture is like bomb. Looking back in there, she really went all out with this packaging because I honestly thought it'd just be like in like, you know, plastic, but come on, look at this. This is beautiful. This is so sweet. Just opening it. Aw, this is so nice. I'm so happy with this packaging. So these are the lashes. Also with her website on the back and her Instagram for her website, which is very smart marketing right there. It says Desp, Shopdesp lashes, that's her site. So this one's Woman Crush Wednesday, and this one is Talk to Me Nice, Talk to Me Nice. So I'll just take them out of the packaging and I'll show you guys without that light reflecting off of it. Get it open. I have such a hard time opening things. I already broke one of my nails while at work. Someone was fighting me and I broke it, so I'm not trying to break anymore, you know. Okay, so this is Woman Crush Wednesday. You can kind of see it a little bit better without that plastic wrap on. And then this is Talk to Me Nice. So hopefully when I put them on, I won't have to, what's that called, cut them too much, because I'm afraid I'll cut off too much, because I'm not that good at putting on lashes. I'm just trying to start this up to try to be like, you know, fine for the summer, but I really don't know. So we'll definitely be doing this together. I think I'm going to use my compact mirror and I'm going to look down into it and put on the lashes, and hopefully I'll get it the first try. I'll be using this duo glue right here. It's in black, but I want to get one that's clear. So if you guys know any clear liquid glues for eyelashes, definitely let me know below. So let's start off with Talk to Me Nice. This is what it looks like when you open. Oh my gosh, I cannot. Ooh, that is nice. Oh gosh, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. Okay, so let's get into this. I have my tweezers here as well, and I am scared, and I am scared. Which way it goes? What way does it go on now? So the thinner ones, shorter ones, the I'm so scared. Okay, so I'm just trying to take it out of the packaging with my tweezers. I thought it'd be a lot harder to get out, but it was kind of easy. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to fit it to my eye a little to see if I have to cut any. My gosh, I don't know if I'll be okay. Let me see. I actually think it's okay. I think it's a perfect what's that called, length for my eyes. I am so scared, but I think I'm gonna look bad when I put them on though, hopefully. Not just to myself, bad to other people too, like bad as in fine, hopefully. So I'm just gonna take some of my glue. The glue, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of like glue on there. Yeah, you can see it, it's blue. I don't know why, because I thought it was supposed to be black, but I thought getting like a black eyelash glue would be better because eyeliner is black, but then I realized like I'm an amateur, so when I mess it up and I put it above my eyeliner, it's very hard to get off, so I have to try to find like a clear eyelash glue because black's not working for me. So this is my mirror I'm gonna use. God help me. Okay, I think it's dry enough, so let's see. I let it dry out too much. Okay, let's go back in with some glue. Where did I put it? Oh, these are 100% mink, by the way. So I'm trying not to let it dry too much because, yeah. So, come on. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Man, if I can get these on. You know what? I think I have to cut some. Yeah, I'm gonna cut some. So I'm just gonna clip a little bit off of this side because it feels like it's gonna get into my eye and irritate it. Girl, I hope you're not watching this judging me. If you do stumble across this video, forgive me if I do not do the product justice. Okay, let's go back in again. We have to get used to them. Man, they're so like thick and long. I mean, it's what I wanted, but you know when you ask for something and then you get it and you're just like, oh my gosh. That's me right now. They're on right now. Let me give you a close-up. Watch me struggle to put on the other one, you know. Life's a struggle. This one's no different. So I have one more to put on. It comes out really easy. And I'm just going to cut some on the side. Here's the other one I'm gonna put on. And also it'd be a good idea to just like trim in here because like I'm blinking my eye and it's not like bothering it. The hair is rubbing against it, so definitely like cut that off. But apart from that, it feels comfortable. It feels like there's nothing on my eye. Actually, let me just... Is this dangerous? I think this is dangerous. Don't do this at home, kids. Watch if all that stuff fell in my eye. Oh my gosh, I'd be so screwed. So that's a lot better. Okay, Lord be with me. Okay, ready? I'm just trying to make it stick. I hope you guys can see. You see what I'm saying about it being a little bit too long? It's not really holding on, so I'm just gonna try to take some glue and put it underneath there, although that's probably really bad to do. Just stick that down. Wow, there you go. They are so big and bold. So this is a close-up. This is Talk to Me Nice. Only nice, nothing else. Don't mind if there's hair on my face. Just talk to me nice. Oh yeah, as you can see, I kind of got some lash glue on my eyelids, if you can see. I need the clear, but these are really nice. They're really big and bold. Like, this is, you know, showstopper, showstopper. You like it? Let's go on to the other lash and see the difference, or if I like that one better, or if you guys like that one better. So yeah, let me take these off. Okay, so let's take this off. I don't use nothing, I just pull them off. I have time for that. I have time, you know? These are reusable up to 25 wears. And then each time you use them, just, you know, take off the glue and cleanse them. I'm not going to be wearing them that often though, so I'll have them for a very long time. So all I do, just put them back in the packaging. So we're moving on to the Woman Crush Wednesday. This is what it looks like inside. This one appears to be longer than the Talk to Me Nice. See, this one's a little bit longer, it looks like. Okay, let's check this out now. Then let's put it on. This is Woman Crush Wednesday. Let it dry a little. The band is kind of flat. Well, let's put them on and see.
In the arms of the angel.
I got what I asked for. I got what I asked for. Moving on to the next lash. As you guys grow to know me, you'll realize that I'm very, very clumsy. No lie. It's true. I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna place it on my eye. Hopefully it didn't dry up too much because it's taking so long. Got it. Again, within here, you might have to trim it a bit. This is Woman Crush Wednesday. Overall, I think they're really nice lashes. I mean, if you want something long and full and thick, these are the lashes for you. Like, if you want to stand out, these are for you. I hope this was an enjoyable video for you guys. If you want more videos like this, just let me know. Also, if you have any foundations that you'd like me to try out or review, please let me know below and I will do so. If you have any other video ideas, please let me know as well. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed and I hope to see you again. Bye.